Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to discuss how to connect PayPal to Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So from your admin panel, head over to your settings from the bottom left side of your screen. Then you need to head over to simply your payment section below users and permissions. Once you click onto that, you can see we have payments. If you scroll a little bit down, you can see we have additional payment settings and we have this add payment method. Simply search in here for PayPal and you should be able to get it. So you can add PayPal from this section. It is not showing up since it is already added, as you can see, and you can set it up. So yeah, that's how easily you can connect to PayPal to Shopify. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.